Alright guys, so you might have seen my Escapement Time Flieger video. I was really impressed with that watch. So much so that I decided to check out what else Escapement Time actually do. And I picked up these two. So straight off the bat, I'm going to say these are both quartz pieces, but that doesn't mean that they're bad watches in any way. I'm actually really impressed with them. But this isn't going to be a full review. This is going to be a quick unboxing / first impressions. So I'm going to start with this one. So we get the usual Escapement Time box. Nothing fancy, but does the job and nice and secure. So you're not going to be worrying about getting the watch damaged when it arrives. And this is the first piece. So I'm not entirely sure what this is an homage of. It's either a Seiko King or some kind of Grand Seiko. Not entirely sure which. If anybody does know, let us know down in the comments below. But it's a good looking piece. The only slight issue I've had with it so far, as you can probably see, it's quite smudged and fingerprinty. That's because it's fully polished. So that might be a bit of an issue for some people. Like I say, it is a bit of a fingerprint magnet. But other than that, it's a great watch. It does look really nice. I like the way they've got the text on the dial as well. The Escapement Time at the top, below the 12, and then the quartz above the 6. The previous Escapement Time watch I had, I think that was a sterile one. So nice to see they've got the logo on there. Well, the name. We've actually got a signed crown as well, which is nice. With the E for Escapement Time. So this actually comes on this bracelet, or it does also come on the leather strap as well. But I'll get into that on the full review. So we've got a nice clasp on here, quite a lot of micro adjust as well, which is good. So I'm impressed with that so far. Only pressed, but given the price, I think that's forgivable. And then we've got a simple, if I can get it to focus, on the back, Escapement Time, just on the back of the case, with a screw down case. So overall, it's looking pretty nice so far, this one. So let's get on to the next one. And now on to the other one. So again, same box. And then this might look slightly familiar because, like I say, I did a previous review on a Flieger. In fact, I actually have that here. And that was an automatic one though. But there are a few similarities with this. Obviously the strap is basically the same. But like I say, this one is a quartz, this one is actually automatic. The case backs are actually similar too. Both got the plain on, but the automatic one is embossed, whereas this one is just etched. But I'll put that down and focus on this one. So, as you can see, this one has a chronograph. So, a little bit different. But again, shares similarities with the other one. But build quality so far is looking great. And we appear to have as well those blued hands like on the other one, which is a nice touch, especially at this price point. And then we've got the date down at the 6 as well. Always nice to have the date, and I always prefer it down in the 6 as well, to be honest. Prefer the symmetry of it. I do like the symmetry overall of this watch actually. It is really nice. And again, pretty simple with it being a Flieger style. Unsigned crown, a little bit disappointing, but again, that's similar to the other one as well. That was also unsigned. But doesn't detract from the watch otherwise. So, like I say, this isn't going to be a full review. Just a quick look, first impressions. So, that's pretty much it for now. I'll be releasing the reviews of both of these pretty soon, probably in the next day or so. So, until then, I'll see you in the next one.